Hey guys, it's me, Hey Really Real. If you want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned. I've already concealed my eyes and now I'm just applying the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Going in with the 350 Morph palette, I am taking that pretty orange color, and that's going to be our blendy color, making sure to blend it in very well so that we don't have any like splotchy colors on our eyes. We want to make sure it's blended. Going back into the 350 palette, we're going to use the color below that one, and that will be our crease color. In the corner of our eyes, we're going to use that pretty dark brown color, and we're also going to incorporate this in our crease, but not as much. We're just going to darken it up just a smidge, but we're mainly going to put this in on the corner of our eyes. Going in with my ColourPop concealer, I'm going to cut my crease, making sure I really take my time on this step. You don't want to mess up. And I know I am not the only one that uses my camera on my phone as my mirror sometimes. Going back into the palette, we're going to take that last color that we used, the dark brown, and we're going to go back and we're going to make sure that that dark brown stayed in our corner, making sure we just clean that up very well. Going back into the 350 palette, I'm going to use my favorite color in that palette. Actually, it's that pretty cream color, and we're going to put that all over where we put the concealer. Remember to keep going back to that last color and keep deepening that outer corner. On my face, I'm using the NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. To conceal my face, I'm using the MAC NC35 concealer. To contour my face, I'm using the LA Girl Cosmetics concealer in the color dark brown. To bronze and contour my face, I'm using MAC Dark Deep. highlight my skin, I'm using Shayla ColourPop Boomin'. On my lips, I used NYX Espresso, and I cut this out on my camera, but I used the lipstick Carousel by ColourPop Cosmetics. To finish off the look, I lined the bottom of my lash line, and I also sprayed my face with the setting spray Skindinivia.